That would probably be, don't be so don't be don't spend so much time working out the very intimate details. If it's a groove, just let it happen, and you'll never make the perfect hi-hat, you'll never make the perfect clap, you'll never make the perfect kick drum. um, they just basically allow a groove to be a groove, and it would save me so much time.
I think for me it had to be we needed to buy more outboard pieces quicker. Compressors, effect units. I mean, we bought keyboards and drum machines, and we kept buying those pieces, and we didn't even buy compressors for a long time. So a lot of our early pieces is really uncompressed, straight to 2-track tape, as hot as we could get it. But it was crazy. So that's why I sound so small. But but yeah, we should have bought like compressors and just things of that nature, gates and things of that nature.
The best advice is not the best advice, because basically to get to the producer that you want to be, it takes time. So I think you have to try to find yourself into the music, to build your own character, your own ID. I think that's the key, and it's definitely not the easiest way, because you can make something that already exists, but it's definitely not the newest thing. So I think try to find your own ID in the music is my advice.
One of the best advice I would tell to me, is to always let me be free and follow my soul in general. I mean, production-wise, not follow any trends and not start from a preset. That thing can, I think, influence your production in a bad way, because you start from something which is already sculptured and designed, so it's not your personality. You can just use presets as a starting point to learn how to use a machine, for example.
The main thing I would tell my younger self would be, don't always stick to the rules. Just listen. If it sounds good, that's the most important thing, and not so much the rules, because the rules will tell you all kinds of things. Eventually, it's all about if it sounds right. If you're listening to the mix, if you're listening to a song, if it sounds right, that's what matters, not if you stuck to the rules. I'm sure I can tell you like 20 songs that were huge hits, where maybe original songwriting theories would not apply, or like technically, there's a lot of songs that would like be not mastered right, but they sound insane in clubs. So yeah, I would definitely say listen to your own ears and not to theories of others.
So I would tell my younger self just to believe in yourself, be original, follow your dreams, obviously, and don't worry about what other people are doing, and don't try to imitate what other people are doing musically, because everybody's unique in their own way, and you just sit and focus on what you're doing and what you can put on the table, you'll go a lot further sooner.
I don't think there is much production knowledge.
No, I think because in the old days,
it's very organic, isn't it?
Yeah, we're experimentalists, so I think that's been from the very beginning of what we did, is we've always taken sounds and experimented with them from the very first time we worked together.
But also I think it's not, music production and making, it's not something you can just, it takes time to learn. Yeah. So you can't really go do this. I mean, I would tell my younger self other stuff, like don't take so many drugs, for example. Exactly. That's the first thing that I thought was, don't waste your life with drugs, because I wasted many years of my life with drugs.
Being malad.
I mean, but in production, I couldn't advise myself anything. I would just say, because I did what I did, or we did what we did,
and we evolved
and we did what we're here now, because we spent a lot of time in the studio, and music was our passion.
Yeah.
And it's about dedicating a lot of time, about being constant and not giving up and really believing in what you're doing and yourself. But that's life. You know,
Yeah, how can you advise yourself?
I mean, either you do it or you don't.
You evolve.
Either you do that or you don't. And we've done it, so I feel like if I would have not done it, then I would have told myself
You
to
should
be
have done it.
patient, to spend the time.
Yeah.
But we've done it, so
Yeah.
in that sense,
That's
I would
really
say
true.
no. But in other sense, in taking drugs, I would have told myself not to take
Yeah.
some of the drugs.
Yeah.